Hello everyone, welcome back once more to my channel. My name is Toro, and today we're going to be opening a 2017 Mega Tin of Yugi. So let's see what can we get from there. I'm so excited with this tin because it contains the Dark Magician art that I like the most till now. So let's go ahead and open it. It contains 3 mega packs of 2017, secret rare Dark Magician, and I don't want to spoil it. I just go ahead and open it. Let's go ahead. Let me open this. I cannot open it. Okay, so I like this box. It's my first Mega Tin that I'm going to open in my whole life. Even when I was playing when I was younger, I didn't get any tin. So let's open this. And here you can see, I like this Dark Magician is my favorite. Let me put this. Let me check if there is something in the back. No, there's nothing else. I'm going to put it away here. And for now, we're going to leave this here. Oh, let me put it in the back here. So, I'm excited. Oh my god. It's the 3 Mega Tin packages here. Dark Magician. My favorite art. Let's open it and take it out. So look at this. Oh, amazing. Amazing. This is ringing the focus. Good. Dark Magician. So good. I like it. And then we got a Proxy Dragon. Nice. Link Monster. Nice. And then we got a Pot of Desires. Nice. And then we got a number 71. Revariant Shark. And then we got Dreamland. Nice. So good. I like this artwork. It's so cool. Let me, if you want to read what is the focus. There you go. And then we got a token of the 2 Yugis. There you go. So let's go ahead and open the first Mega Tin. We are guaranteed to get 1 secret, 1 super, and 1 ultra rare, and also rare. So this card contains 16 cards. Let's open it and let's see what can we get from there. I'm excited. So we got Cyber Tutubon. Nice, Cyber Tutubon. And then Paleozoic Hallucigenia? Why? I don't understand the weird names, are difficult names to pronounce. And then Mare. Sounds like Mariel. And then Xenobird Crow. Nice. I remember this from Duel Links. And then Metal Foes Counter. And then Fairy Tale Sleeper. And super rare is gonna be Paleozoic Opabinia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, after 6 cards, we got the foils. Paleozoic Opabinia. And then we got Cosmic Cyclone. Nice! I like this one. To remove any trap from the opponent. Remove it from the game. And banish. Yeah, banish, remove it. Yeah. Paying 1,000 of your life points. And then we got Dragonic Spirit of White. I don't like this because I got already this card from the Kaiba Legendary Collection. But we can have 2. And then we got as a rare Spirit of the Fall Wind. Nice. Pendulum Hole. Let me put these ones here and here and here. Pendulum Hole. Totem 5. Oh, I like this artwork. I like anything that have to be with totems and stuff like that. I like that. And then we got Performable Shell Crab. And then we got Fairy Tail Snow, Paleozoic, Olenoids, and Card of the Soul. Nice. Let's see what are we going to get for the second package of the Mega Team. And we got Metalphobes, Silver, Eater of Millions. Yeah, look, the fish is eating cards. And then Cyber Tutumon again. Seems that is pretty common. Spirit Blessing, Sprites Blessing, and then Zodiac Sign, Shinobi Crow. Oh, again Shinobi Crow, and I think it's coming the foils. And it's gonna be Paleozoic Anomalocaris, I guess. And then we got as a ultra rare, secret rare Sea Monster of Tetheus. And we got Stardust Sifr Driven Dragon. Oh, nice! I like that one. The other one's not too much, but I like this one. Stardust Sifr Divine Dragon. Nice. Looks so good. This is ultra rare. And then we got Super Heavy Samurai Ninja Sutobi. Oh man, I'm so sad. And Dragodius, the Empowered Warrior, Red Mirror, Pendulum Hole, Heavy Freight Train, Derry Crane. Dude, these names, come on. Quarantine. And Fairy Tail Snow. Interesting. I like this one. This Stardust. I'm watching now Yugi the 5DS, so the Stardust name comes right to my mind from that part of the series. And the last package. What can we get from there? I hope something that I like. Okay, let's go. Cypher Twin Raptor. Angel Trumpeter. I have this one in Yu-Gi-Oh! Generations. Paleozoic Hallucigenia. Oh, faster. I could say faster. Digital Bug. Co-condenser. And then Empowerment. Symphonic Warrior Mix. And then as a super rare we got Full Metal Foes Fusion. Nice. Let me put this one here. As a secret rare, we're going to have Drowning Mirror Force. Nice! I want this one. So good. I like it. They say when your opponent declares a direct attack, shuffle all attack monster positions to your opponents into the deck. So you put them back to the deck. I like this one. I'm so happy for that one. And as a ultra rare, oh, Zodiac through blade. Nice. Seriously, they are giving me a hard time with names. I like this package. This is the best one. Super Droid, Speedroid, then Daiko Duke. You see, I'm having a hard time with these ones. And then Shiranui Steel Samsara, Christon Rosenix, Miscellaneosaurus, and Predaplant Squidodrosera, Amazing Pendulum, of course, Amazing Pendulum, and Fairy Tail Rilla. Nice! So difficult the name. So let's do a recap. So we got Drowning Mirror Force, Sea Monster of the Theresus. I don't know why this one is 2 turners. Sea Monster. And then Cosmic Cyclone. That one is good, I like it too. And then Zodiac. Nice. Through Blade. Just say Zodiac Blade. And then Stardust. Spirit Divine Dragon. Nice. Dragon Spirit of White. Nice. And then Full Metal Falls, Fusion, Paleozoic Anomalocaris, and another Paleozoic Opabinia. Nice. And of course our promos: Dark Magician, Proxy Dragon, Pot of Desires, number 71, Dreamland, and the token. So that's it. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like, I will suggest give me a thumbs up. Leave comments, please. I want to know what your thoughts. What do you like? If you like the videos, what do you like? What would you like to see as well? If you want me to open a certain kind of packages, booster boxes, I would like to know about that. Please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.